Well, I had Lowe's deliver these 12 deck blocks here because I was going to build a shed right here, but then we decided to move it to the back of the cabin. So now I'm moving these one at a time. They are pretty heavy. They gotta weigh 50-60 pounds each. Okay, so we're going to start the process of laying out a 10 by 12 foot shed. And so we've got some deck blocks. We're going to use them as a support for the base of the shed. So I've just started in the high end back there, and I'm going to level all these out based on that high end. And then once that's level, we'll get the wood, get the floor made, and get started. So the deck is coming along. I've got it leveled in the back. One thing is that it was at an angle to the house, so I finally got that sorted out. Had to move, let's see, 8 out of the 9 bricks to get it lined up again. This middle is pretty low. You can see there's about a 2.5 inch gap right there. So I think I'm just going to stack some treated lumber under there to fill that gap, because those pads are heavy. Here I lifted them up a little bit because it was really low. Let me zoom in on that. There, I got some bricks under there. But now it's level across, ready to move on. Okay, the floor of the 10 by 12 foot shed is complete. Now we just have to start on those walls in a little bit. It was pretty easy, no smashed thumbs. It's looking good. I feel a little more rain coming. Okay, well, we are working on the shed still. We had a lot of rain. In fact, it's rained 10 days in a row. I got the wall up here on the left-hand side, and I'm working on the final half part of the wall that's going to have the door. The windows right there. And I have some 2x8 down here for the header. So still making progress. Slow as it is. Okay, the shed walls are done now. Rough opening for 2x3 window and a 30 by 80 inch door. So everything is ready to start either putting the siding on or starting on the roof.